Welcome to Fun, Fun, Fun Art Class. I'm your teacher, Teacher Lydia. Are you all happy to see me? Yes, I'm also very happy to see you. Friends, do you know what we're going to make today? Yes, we're going to make a star. In this class, you're going to need 5 paper and tape. Now let's begin our class. Time to make. First, you're going to fold your paper into triangle. You fold and you open, and you're going to make an ice cream cone shape. Like this. Even the other sides. And then also you're going to fold the down part to this center line. Even the other side. You open, and then there's another line made here. So you're going to fold again. Like this. And then fold back and turn it back, and then this edge and here should meet together. Like this. And then you're going to turn it back again, and now this edge should meet this part, should meet this line. So you're going to fold like this. Like this. Even the other side. So now this is one sector of the star. So we're going to make other 4. Make triangle. You open and make a cone shape. Even the below part. Open. Fold. Turn it back. Also fold again. And this edge meets this line. Triangle, open, turn back. Two more to go. Open. Turn it around and fold again. And finally, the last one. Turn around, fold again. And then done. Now it's most important part. So you're going to open this part like this. And then you're going to stick where there is no space, like this. And this part you're going to stick with tape. You can also stick with glue if you want. Like this. Also the others, this space you're going to remove it and stick it here. Stick it well so that it doesn't fall down. Also this. Here. Also at the back. And the last one also. But for the last one, you should put both sides. So like this. So at the back. And here you will need to squeeze for a bit. To fit in. Squeeze and then you put tape. You put also at the top. Like this. Ta-da! Now we are done with the star. Friends, how was the class? I hope it was fun and interesting for you to learn the star. After you learn, you can also teach your friends or siblings so you can have much fun. Now it's time to end our class. But before we end, if you like this program or would you like to be part of us, you can SMS us through the number on your screen. Also, you can call us or send us video clip what you learned in this class. Also, we have Facebook and YouTube page, so you can go and search GBS TV Africa. Then you can watch many other episodes and don't forget to give us comments. Now, it's really time to end our class. Friends, until next time, bye!